Hey guys, welcome back. Here we are at the 2-month mark of our subscriber requested coatings and sealants longevity test. So as usual, we're going to go ahead and foam this hood down using Chemical Guy's Honeydew Snow Foam, rinse it, foam it again, wash it, and then of course rinse it before inspecting all the hydrophobic properties before we dry everything off. If you do have a minute, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and of course let me know in the comments if you've used any of these products or your experiences installing them or if you're rooting for any of them. As always, if there is a product you want to see tested, let me know too, as I'm always looking for additional products to test, but check out my master spreadsheet in the video description to make sure I haven't first already tested that before asking. So with that out of the way, let's see how things are holding up. First up, Simonized diamond plate, looking very strong. Tech 585 graphene, also looking very strong. That's a very inexpensive product. Kamikaze ISM Coat 2.0, looking strong, highly requested by you guys. Black Rhino Advanced, also still looking good. Proji Classy, we had those marked failed at the 1-month mark. Malco Epic Ceramic Coating, looking good. Naziol ZR53, believe that's from Turkey is where that's made. Looking good. Nano Bond, of course, that's our cheap Chinese coating. TAC Moonlight, rated for 9 months, and it's got a little wear on it. Not to where we'd call it failed. NV, both of those products, the consumer and the pro, both looking very hydrophobic. I believe those come from Australia. Shine Supply Beadlock Pro, a little bit of wear. And here's a failure, Sonex Hybrid Tech Wax. 2 months or less is what it made. Blackfire Pro Black, very similar to Adams Coating, made by B&B Blending. Looks like it's hanging in there. And here's another, Oberk Defense Gel, rated for up to 3 months, made it about 2 months. Glossit Graphene DIY. Looks like it's doing all right. Down to the next row, Geon, Pure Evo, 1 Evo, and MOHS Evo. All 3 of those looking good. One Evo, maybe just a little less hydrophobic. FaneLab Ceramic Light, looking very hydrophobic. Adams Advanced Graphene Coating, very hydrophobic. Flitz Ceramic Spray, got a little bit of wear on it. And then the next 5 are Art to Shine, Icon, Hybrid Coat, Nano Graphene, Graphene BX Pro. All of those look hydrophobic. And there's another failure, the Graphene Detailer. As is pretty typical of just the detail sprays. 30, 60, 90 days, that's kind of the max you're going to get out of those. So this one was very hydrophobic at the 1-month mark, and then now 2 months it's dead. So we have 3 failures this month. Sonex, Oberk, and Art to Shine Graphene Detailer. Black Rhino Graphics still looking all right. So as usual, I'll go ahead and dry it off, but I did want to show you something right after I dried it off that I noticed this month. Look at the Tech 585 graphene square there. When it was installed, I don't recall seeing any high spots or anything. So now when you look at it, look at that. You can see the streaks. You can actually see how it was applied up and down, left and right. Normal to see them like on the edges of like the squares and things like that, but that's just because I try not to disturb the neighboring squares when I install them. So there's your update, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.